In today's video, I'm going to teach you this is the easiest way to move a small group of cells. If you've ever needed to quickly reorganize a small block of data in your spreadsheet, this simple drag and drop method is the fastest, most precise way to do it. We'll keep it clean, avoid extra clicks, and make sure your information lands exactly where you want it. First, highlight the cell or the range of cells you want to move. Click a single cell if that's all you need, or click and drag to cover a small rectangle of cells. You'll know it's selected when you see a clear border around the group. Take a quick moment to confirm you've included everything you want and nothing extra. Next, move your mouse to the blue border of that selection. Don't hover over the little square handle in the corner. That's the fill handle, which is used for copying patterns and will show a small plus sign. Instead, aim for the border itself. When you're in the right spot, your cursor will change into a hand icon. That hand is your signal that you're about to move the selection, not copy or resize it. Now click and hold the mouse while your cursor is that hand, and start dragging the selection toward its new home. Keep the mouse button held down the whole time. As you drag, watch the outline that shows where the cells will land. This preview helps you position the block precisely, row by row and column by column. Be mindful of what's underneath the destination. Dropping your cells onto existing data will replace it. If you're moving near other entries, slide carefully so the border lines up exactly with the intended top left corner. When you're happy with the position, simply let go of the mouse to drop the cells. The entire selection will move to the new location, keeping the original order intact. If your selection included formulas, they'll move with the cells, and relative references will update automatically based on the new position. If the drop wasn't perfect, don't worry. You can instantly undo and try again, or click the border and drag once more until it's right. A quick final glance to verify that everything looks correct is always worth the extra second. That's all there is to it. Select, hover for the hand icon on the border,